We're on site at our current deck build in Franklin. We've been having a lot of fun out here and have had some really nice weather for working the last couple weeks, so that's been great. Had a couple challenges on this project, but overall it's been going really well, so let's go take a look at it. The whole deck is being built over this aggregate patio, and we actually had to cut into it to do our footers, so had 18 holes to do. Got a cut-off saw and cut through all these for all our footers, poured a 2-foot deep concrete footer, so that was a lot of fun. Brought in a concrete truck with 3 yards of concrete. We had to park that out at the road, which is a pretty good little trek, and we brought in wheelbarrows, trucked it all back here and poured it, so it was a lot of work, but it went well. And currently we're getting the roof built. Jacob and Luke are working on that, getting ready to put the metal roofing on. Sam's doing the decking, and I really love what we're doing here with the border. Sam's been doing a great job doing our borders around both of these sections and also around the landing that comes down off of out of the house. And this is all basically just, you know, it's standard wood decking, no Trex on this, but we're still doing it. It's gonna look really cool, and gonna do a wood tongue and groove ceiling in the covered area. So looking forward to seeing how that turns out. We've got to wrap up some stuff here today and tomorrow, and then we'll be back in a week or two to finish the ceiling and the railings and everything after the electrical work's been done up in the ceiling. So stay tuned for more on this project.